Hello, my friends. Let's talk about the all-in-one abutment, that is AIO for short. It has been a year that the all-in-one abutment is in the market. I mean, like in China market and also overseas market. So we have really good feedback from the users. The all-in-one abutment is a healing abutment, but it's more than a healing abutment. It works also like intraoral scan body. Also, it is a transfer abutment, typically transfer abutment, but of course it's a digital dentistry product. So for the restorations, it works in digitized workflows. So there are some questions that many users, when they when they see all-in-one abutment, or when all-in-one abutment is in their hands, they are a little bit confused. There are some questions they will ask about. For example, like is AIO okay to be installed for one-stage implant, or is only for two-stage implant? So basically, for example, the first stage implant or two-stage implant, that is basically decided or planned by the doctor. That depends on all kinds of situations. Let's say, for example, for one-stage implant, that means the doctor installs the healing cap right after the implant is fixed to the jaw. Yeah. So in this case, instead of using a healing cap, the doctor they can use abutment, all-in-one abutment, to replace the healing cap, right? So for the one-stage implant, AIO is okay to be installed, and for two-stage implants, that means the bone healing stage and tissue healing stage are separated. Yeah, in this case, for the tissue forming stage or tissue healing stage, instead of using a healing abutment, the doctors they can use all-in-one abutment to install on top of the implant on the two-stage tissue forming stage. Yeah, so for one-stage or two-stage implant, AIO, like in both situations, it works as a healing abutment. So basically, that is about the condition that the AIO works on. Thank you.